orange should be intact.
Oh my God.
It will take a lot of time to do like that.
Yeah. Don't apply any algorithm. Simply do it.
What will you do with the skin?
Oh, Rajesh has lot of experience. Looks like. Yeah. He's doing good. If it is broken, it is no point. Yeah. Very nice. Wow. क्या cut कर रहे हैं? Ultimate. Dharmaraj, what you are doing, man? You are spoiling things, are okay. Okay. Good. Yes. Wow. These are like a professional with uniform. Wow, really like it. Judges see these people coming as a. But she not selected as a judge. Maybe she might get chance today. Yeah. Where is the other team? The Jal. Wow. Things are getting ready. Oh, something's cooking. Yeah. Oh, it's delicious.
So you can imagine when you're from Delhi, food is all over. So you wake up, say, what do you want to eat? Lunch, what do you want to eat? Evening, what do you want to eat? So it's all about food. So yes, I'm a big foodie.
She's running away.
So I can eat everything. It has to be tasty. And I know how to cook also. So that's the one thing which I know. Anything which is there, even if you ask me, last time I had a doctor visit, after the doctor visit, my first question was, when I can go out and start eating again.
Yeah. Good.
For past 16 years. So I have done my hotel management and I was into hotel industry about 16 years. And recently I moved to facilities and looking after the canteen operation in WDC. Once again, thanks.
And then go for that particular place and then have it.
Oh, yes.
Like that, Ambur biryani. I go from here to there only to have biryani and then come back.
See, we have a person who goes to Ambur to have Ambur biryani, not somewhere Ambur hotel here.
Not water out of the fridge every day.
Yeah. They say, whatever you do, but don't do idli.
This is the
But-
first time I'm hearing.
No, but once you become big, no, like now also, my favorite food is idli.
This one from main road, I do delivery order. And then one trip Shivaji.
Where you have visited?
I love Megna fruits and chicken biryani.
Anybody on the highway? Passport has already been covered. Mysore Road. Yeah.
Yeah, wow. Super.
All these places are
Bangalore and almost India and outside also is
I'll
right.
do one thing. We'll put all this stuff.
Carrots and zucchini. Lemon, without lemon, and we have toffee grassy fruits, and this is pops. Sesame seeds, and then what do you use for the sushi?
Without lemon, lemonade.
Chia seeds, which is very good for metabolism and digestion. We use that and lemon.
Without wasabi also. This side you can come and we have Subin, taste it. With wasabi. That's sweet. Chopsticks. No, that's okay.
We have this so that you can go through each and everything.
Seema ji.
all the contents and what we have used is already mentioned there.
Oh, they made menu. Okay.
Biscuits are the pre-cooked ingredients which we used in this. And you use the cream from inside. Inside the biscuit, that cream itself. We didn't use the extra cream.
What are the other things? Yes, we will come back. So this is
Without any sugar.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is this?
Yeah. No. It's
9 varieties. Okay.
you can consume without this one in a plastic bag with a roller. Like you can put it in a plastic bag and we use the parchment paper and we rolled it. It's getting so difficult.
Yeah. See.
ma'am, if you want, you can have this. Okay.
Ishwar, show your plate. Okay. You're going to try that items also. Okay. Good. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Good. Enjoy. Are you hungry, my friend? Good. Hot samosa and masala vada, gulab jam and orange, and our friends made something. Hi friends. Yes. Excellent.
What is there in this?
Like basically this is soaked chana and soaked moong, and we have added carrots, radish, every vegetables, and then some masalas like chaat masala, black salt, black pepper, a bit of that.
I think you will find here authentic Jain food.
We have carrots.
And this pani is made out of raw mango, pepper, mint and coriander. So pepper will in water and mango will give that sourness. So we have used that as an ingredient. And most healthy part of this pani puri is this sprouts. And all is very and more healthy. And it is not too heavy ingredients on it. Everything is inside ingredients. And one more is the dry fruit. This is all
Dry fruit laddu where? Okay.
badam, cashew and dates.
Cut it neatly, okay? Okay, enough. Don't make kaima out of it, okay?
He's setting his area.
And wonderful experience, going around being treated like a judge, especially with food.
Yes.
Right? So it was amazing. Everybody had done great effort. We could see actually there was a lot of time, a lot of effort which was invested in it. The way it was done, the way they were welcoming us was a great experience. And amazing dishes and some new tricks I've learned today that I can cook without fire. So I take back my words. I'm not a good cook. Amazing dishes. Competition was very close, right? They were neck to neck. Actually, it's very good.
And I'm pretty sure it's not just that last 1 hour which you have done. I'm pretty sure you are thinking for last few days to say what to prepare and how to present. I think I really condemn all your effort. I think this is something which is commendable, and I would appreciate all of you said you all are winners. There could be a small difference in the score, but
In my shirt, and every day in my life, one evening I see food, and more than the food, I see the presentation. So in that aspect, if I see the team on this table,
Jal, okay.
and every table has everyone prepared at least one dish out of the world.
Out of the world. Wow.
And the last one is the Gold Cup bar. It's really innovative. And there was chana in a small clay mud or something. It is really nice design like that.
Oh.
And their coconut laddu was fantastic. There is the presentation and the way they present, they put the name tag for the dishes and they dress themselves as a chef. And that was really fantastic.
Wow.
Presentation
Great.
was